Today we'll talk about how can you enable light mode on your money manager app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here, and you just click here on more. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on configuration, then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down, so then you come here to style, just click on it, then it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on light mode, so then here it's going to change with you here to light mode when you add here any password here. Like you see, it's enabled with us here to light mode. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.